Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use the travel assist system in an ID.3. This would be also applicable for ID.4, ID.4 GTX, ID.5, and I suppose also in ID.7 they put the same system. So you have these buttons, these sliding buttons on the steering wheel. There is this switch, which is the main switch. You switch it on, so you just press it, then you activate this one. So this is the main switch. And then let's say if you are driving at a road with a certain speed limit, then you just press resume and it would continue with that speed limit. And if you wanna just drive with your current speed, then you just press the set. So these are the two most important buttons to activate the cruise control system. And then if you want to increase the speed, if you slide up, then it goes by 10 kilometers. As you can see here, it's 30 now. I slide up and it goes to 40, so that's the maximum speed it will go at. If you wanna just increase by 1, you just press it once. So that's it. That's how you control the speed. And of course, if you want to decrease it, you just press it once, the minus once, you decrease it. Same way, if you want to decrease it by 10 kilometers, then you just slide it. To control the minimum distance ahead of your car, you just press this middle button. You see there is this button with the icon of the car. You just press this one, and then you have this, and then you just keep pressing it to increase it, and then it goes back to 1. Yeah, so that's how you use the travel assist system. So if you don't have the travel assist system, just the cruise control system is the same. With the travel assist system, you also get auto steer. And when you do have the travel assist system and you don't want to use the travel assist system but just the adaptive cruise control system, then you have this button to select that. So if you press it, then it would select the adaptive cruise control system, and if you press it again, it will select the travel assist system. Yeah, so it just toggles between the adaptive cruise control system and the travel assist system. Yes, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.